Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set the background color of the text width using custom CSS in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see text and on left side you see div. So we added style and then you see background color we added, but background color cover full width. Now you see, so we are going to set background color to the text width. So we are going to add some CSS. Now you see div style. So we are going to add. Now paste. Now you see we added display inline. Now you see background color cover text width using display inline. So you can add display inline CSS in WordPress, PHP or HTML website and then click on update. So just add display inline in style or CSS section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.